Hi, I'm Jamie Archer. I'm a registered osteopath, applied clinical anatomist, and one of the co-founders of the Applied Technique Hub. So the certificate in osteopathic mobilisation is a 3-day course where we will go through basically the whole body and teach you techniques in order to mobilise and articulate the spine and the peripheral joints, so the upper and the lower limbs. So mobilisation and articulation is, we believe, the foundation, the fundamentals of good technique. Being able to handle your patient, being able to mobilise and perform techniques in different positions in awkward situations with difficult patients. So we'll teach you those skills, we'll teach you how to really be as specific as possible in terms of helping patients in pain or patients that have significant dysfunctions. So we have very small groups in our courses. The reason for that is so that you can learn in that very small group environment. I can help you, I can coach you, and you can go away having had lots of practical experience on those 3 days, feeling confident in how to apply those techniques in your clinic or in your practice. So really looking forward for you to come along on this 3-day course. There is another course like it, so have a look now, book on, and really looking forward to seeing you there.